Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're going to learn about literacy. What do you know about literacy? Literacy is not just about reading and writing. It is the foundation of all the learning, from understanding science and instructions, like this one, to expressing our thoughts and emotions. Literacy empowers us and gives us to connect, emphasize, and succeed in life. Without literacy, life becomes a challenge. But with it, the world opens up.
Oh, sorry. So again, when we say eco-literacy talks about how our nature works and how our actions affect the environment. So mahalaga siya dahil natutulungan tayo nito na una, maunawaan ang kahalagahan ng kapaligiran. Pangalawa, maging responsable sa paggamit ng likas na yaman. At pangatlo, magkameron ng mga solusyon sa mga suliranin na may kaugnayan sa kalikasan.
Have you ever thought about the new literacy now compared to before? Like, dati being literate just mean you need to be or know how to read and write. Pero ngayon, it's a whole new world. Kailangan mo lang maging knowledge enough para malaman kung ano ba mga fake news sa hindi. 21st century empower us to connect, create, and communicate. For example, I will call my friend from another country. Hello?
Hi! Okay, bye! Tamang-tama tumawag ang kaibigan ko na nasa ibang bansa dahil ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa global literacy. In global literacy, literacy means understanding cultures, values, and world issues. Maraming iba't ibang bansa ang nagsusulong ng programang pag-unawa, pagrespeto at pagkilala sa iba't ibang kultura. Tulad na lang ng United Nations, nagsulong sila ng programang tungkol sa intercultural dialogue at sa Pilipinas naman ay nagsusulong din sila ng iba't ibang programa o aktibidad tulad ng pagkilala, pagrespeto at pag-unawa sa iba't ibang kultura sa mga paaralan.
Okay, so guys, welcome to my vlog. So now, ay nandito ako sa school at magkaklase kami sa aming Prophet 10 kay Ma'am Jani. So, samahan niyo ako pag-aralan at tuklasin ang aming aaralin ngayong araw. Okay, so I'm back again guys. Kakatapos lang ng klase namin. And ang natutunan ko sa araw na ito is about literacy. And literacy is everywhere. It is the way we read, the way we understand, the way we care, the way we connect, and the way we grow. So from understanding the letter to understanding the people, our planet, and the digital age. So masasabi ko lang is being literate is being empowered. Okay, so now it's time to embrace all literacy.